What is it?
Horse.
Everybody say horse.
Horse.
What letter? What letter?
H.
Listen. What sound? All right, here's your video. And I want to hear my good readers. We're going to read these sentences.
The is little.
Oh. All right, listen.
The horse is little.
Your turn.
The horse is little.
What was this thing called? Do you remember? Pepe. Oh, what was it?
A period.
And when we see the period, what do we do?
Stop.
Very good.
Big.
Read.
The horse is big.
Beautiful. Listen to those good readers.
Yellow.
The horse is yellow.
Can a horse run?
Yes.
Run.
What's he doing?
Running.
All right, so what's our animal?
Horse.
Everybody say horse.
Horse.
What sound? Very good.